Look around you. Reality often appears as an overwhelming tapestry of intricate systems. From the vast cosmic webs to the delicate dance within a single cell, complexity abounds. We grapple with its immensity, trying to comprehend the myriad forms existence takes. Is this universe a chaotic, unpredictable dance without any discernible pattern? Or is there a profound, hidden order beneath the surface of all that we perceive? What if what we call reality is not ultimate truth but a grand, intricate construct? Imagine a framework, a system, a model designed or evolved to house all existence. This construct isn't a rigid cage but a dynamic, living blueprint. It's a multidimensional architecture, constantly shifting and evolving. Each element a component of a larger, interconnected system. This isn't about what is real but how reality is structured. A magnificent, emergent structure constantly unfolding before our eyes. At the very heart of this construct lies a fundamental principle: balance. Imagine opposing forces like light and dark, expansion and contraction, held in perfect equilibrium. This isn't static, it's a fluid, dynamic dance, ensuring stability amidst change. Shimmering lines of energy connect the hypercubes, maintaining their perfect alignment. A central pulsating nexus acts as the anchor, maintaining this delicate equilibrium. This is the Pythagorean principle in action, a fundamental, elegant mathematical harmony. It ensures stability and coherence, allowing for infinite complexity without collapse. The construct's fundamental nature is this dynamic equilibrium. Now watch as the individual elements begin to dissolve their distinct boundaries. They merge into a single, flowing, infinitely complex, yet perfectly harmonious unity. The visuals become a breathtaking, kaleidoscopic dance of light, shadow, and forms. All part of one grand, evolving structure, a metaphysical unity. This unity is not a loss of individuality, but a higher form of integrated existence. Each component contributes to the beauty and complexity of the whole, all held in balance. It becomes a single, radiant point in an even vaster, abstract cosmic landscape. If this construct is balance, and everything is energy, can we feel this interconnection? A profound sense of awe, contemplation, and universal harmony.